Here's how to make 3D social media animated video ads with AI, which will be useful for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. Take a look at these examples. Found it interesting? There's a link in the description. You can go through that and follow along with this tutorial. Let's get to it. All right, so in order to make animated social media video ads with AI for LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, etc., we're going to use this tool called Breakout Clips. So click the link in the description and head over to this website. Now, I've made a full tutorial on it, so you can check it out at the end, but I'm just going to make a quick guide on what you can do inside it. You can go over to templates and you can look at these templates here. You can customize it. You can add your own media in it. You can change all these text in it, change the post layout to Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram, and also add an animation like this or this. That is, these are built-in animations, but they also got this option of custom animations that we are going to take a look at in this video. So let's go over to AI templates here. These are all made by community. So you can scroll down, take a look at them. So let's take this as an example and let's press on remix. You can keep the same character, which is going to keep the same character, of course, but you would not be able to edit it at all. So you can start with the same prompt. It's going to make something like this, but we can do a lot more inside it. Like we can ask it to hold a cookie packet. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's press on remix this prompt. Now here in prompt section, we've got this prompt. Now at the end, I can say make Santa hold my uploaded cookie packet image. And you need to upload that image. So you need to press on this button and upload your product image. Or you can upload a logo as well if you want to add it on a billboard or something. So I'm going to use this one. This is solve-based cookies. I have generated this image with ChatGPT. So I'm going to press on it and press over here for done. Once you have uploaded it, on the bottom, you can see these image upload tips. You can add it as a logo on clothing and billboard in a city scene and a lot more. So you can use these prompts if you want to do it. On top here, you'll find optimize my prompt. You can enable it and then click on the send button. And it's going to enhance our prompt here. It says it's a great prompt, so you can go ahead and generate it. If it was below 90 or 80%, it would give you some good prompts that you can reuse over here. Now, you got this first button, that is for aspect ratio. You can change to portrait or story. So let's go with 9:16 here for story mode. Let's go with portrait here, 4:5. And let's press send button. But before that, you need to make sure that you have toggled the optimize my prompt off. Now you need to press on the send button and it's going to take us over to the layout page. On it, you would be able to select the post layout from the left hand side. So you can make it Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram. Now let's select Instagram here. On the bottom, you'll find Instagram handle. You can change this from here. Also, you got the brand kit. You can click on it and you can add more brands here. So let's say you want to generate one with this brand. You can click on it and click on add to editor. You just need to fill up the details on the right hand side. Now you can add a new brand and fill it up as well. So currently I've got this first one set as default brand. I can click on add to editor. And one more thing, if you go inside it, for Instagram, this is the handle. You can add for each of these. So for Facebook, it would be a different one. For LinkedIn, it would be this. You can also add the tagline with it. So if I switch over to LinkedIn, you'll find I've got this tagline as well with the logo. So this is very fast if you choose the brand kit. So we have switched over to LinkedIn. Scroll down. You can change the job title and the time of post. In captions, that is this over here on the right hand side, you can generate an auto caption with AI. Based on this image on top, it's going to generate it. Let's choose this first one. and it's going to be added here. You can also change the post stats, so just click here and change it like this. Or you can also randomize it. So it's going to randomly change the stats of the whole post. I like this AI image that it has created. We're going to click on next, but if you did not like it, you can just press on this regenerate button and it's going to do it again. It does not take any credits for regenerating this AI static image. So let's press on this next button. And now this is the part where you can animate it. So you've got this resolution, 480p, 720p, and 100p. All of them take different amount of credits. For 720p, it takes like 10 credits out of your total balance. Now, where would you see these credits? If you go over here on top, right, this diamond icon, hover on it, you'll see your AI credits here. So currently I've got 60 credits. If you're not able to go to Animate, it's probably because you have not got the paid plan. So if you go over to breakoutclips.com/pricing, you need to upgrade to a paid plan in order to animate these static previews. You're probably on the free plan, so you need to upgrade to the starter plan at least, which gives you 10 downloads per month, and you can have 50 AI credits, which means that you'll be able to generate 5 animations, because each time you make an animation, it's going to take 10 AI credits. I would advise you to go with the Pro plan. It gives you unlimited downloads and 300 AI credits for the first month, but it has 150 credits each month. Now let's get back to the animate option. On it, I'm going to select 720p. The duration is 5 seconds. It's going to animate for 5 seconds, but let's go with the 10 seconds option. It's going to take 2x the credits. So instead of 10 credits, it's going to take 20 credits to make this. But the good part is, if you select down this outputs, you can go with 2 outputs instead of 1, and it's going to take the same amount of credits if you go with 1 output, which is great. Now there is this make generations private. You can turn it on. And what this does is, it would not put this animation that it generates in AI templates. So like I told you before, in AI templates, it has the generations of all the community members. So if you make it private, it would not go over there. So let's just keep it private and click on animate. Now, while this is animating, take a look at this one. This is a previous generation I did with a squirrel. Looks really nice. This is another one of these examples. All right, so the videos are made. Let's take a look at them. You just need to hover on it to play it. Okay, this first one, they just removed the social media mockup, so not a good one. Let's take a look at the second one. Okay, the second one is great. So let's just go inside it. This is why you need to create 2 outputs instead of 1, because there's a possibility that you would need to regenerate it as well. So if you did not like the second one, but it is close to perfection, you can just press on this regenerate inside it. It is free for 1 time. So you can do a 1 free regeneration per video. And you do need to keep in mind that it would permanently replace your current video, so it cannot be recovered. So if you do want to do it, just press on regenerate in order to do it. Also, there's this AI sound that you can add. So currently this video does not have any sound. And if you click on this AI sound, it's just going to add sound based on this video. Let's take a look. All right, so it has added sound to our video. Let's take a listen to it. Okay, that's really nice. And the sound is also great. If you did not like this sound, you can just press on this retry button in order to make a new sound for it. Now, if you're satisfied with this result, just press on this download button and download with the AI sound or the original one with no sound. If you click on either of these, it's going to download the .mp4 file to your computer. And yeah, that's it. Hope that video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. Find more breakout clips related guides and fixes on the right hand side. See you there. Bye for now.